Hi there. What I'd like to do is just talk you through this digital media engagement process and how this is perhaps changed from more traditional marketing methods, and actually what the benefits might be for then developing and training your sales teams in being able to adopt this process. What we have in this modern digital age is a digital funnel. Now, this is slightly different to the old style sales funnel where we try and feed leads in at the top and one or two would drip through at the bottom. Because what we're trying to do here is engage with our clients, engage with our customers to be able to keep and maintain in this digital funnel. Now, this is a different process. This is a different concept to how we've operated in the past. But let me show you how this would potentially work. So what we now need to do is give our salespeople the tools where they can begin to make a noise and allow people to be aware of us and to become our friend. And the sort of things that we'll use for this are LinkedIn, and in particular Sales Navigator, which is a paid-for service within LinkedIn, which will enable us to start connecting and growing our contacts and keep them as lists in our particular instance of Sales Navigator. We also need to be able to do things like blogs and podcasts and webinars, and use things like Adobe Spark, maybe MailChimp or some other type of email distribution mechanism. But what we're trying to do here is create a noise so that what happens is that those people come into the funnel, they're kept in the funnel, and at that stage it's when we then probably put them into our CRM systems, because they've now become people that we want to nurture. Now, the next stage to this is then using similar tools, but to be able to build credibility. So if on one hand we've created the noise, we're now looking to build credibility. Now we've got them in this engagement funnel. And what we're trying to do there is use things like email messaging, again, Sales Navigator, LinkedIn and the personal introductions or contacts we might have there. Again, things like Adobe Spark, podcast, webinars, videos. These are great ways now to interact. Case studies and perhaps videoing our clients who can give us recommendations and testimonials. And these are all things that create credibility, because what we're trying to do is engage with the customer way before they're actually ready to buy. Because now when customers come to buy, what they're not doing is the traditional process of trying to educate themselves. When people come to buy now, because of technology that they're using themselves, they already know what it is they want. And now they're just looking at the trusted provider that they know that can give them this service. And that's what the salesperson now has to do. So if you're looking at ways of being able to improve your sales teams, if you're looking at retraining your sales teams to be digitally enabled, I'd love to hear from you and talk in a little bit more detail how we support both with tools as well as one-to-one coaching in order to be able to make them successful at this process. I hope this looks of interest, and I hope to hear from you and to be of assistance to you. Thanks for listening.